everyone, welcome back to a new video. I'm Rebecca, and in today's video we're going to talk about Scramble App platform. So what Scramble App platform is? In this video we will walk through how Scramble works, how to register and invest in 5 minutes, the benefits and the risks, my honest opinion after using this platform. So let's get started. What is Scramble? Scramble is a fintech platform that connects investors like you and me, things like snacks, cosmetics, home products that are growing fast. Instead of picking just one company, Scramble creates a monthly batch, a group of carefully selected brands, and you invest in the whole package. It's a form of secured lending to real businesses with a team that go through each company before listing it. How does the investment work? When you will invest in Scramble, you will have two clear options. Group A, casual, for those who want safety with a 12 annual return if you reinvest monthly. Group B, higher returns up to 25 per year, but also higher risks. You can choose how to split your money between these two groups and decide whether to reinvest automatically or not. Step number 2, registration and verification process. Registration is super easy. You can use your Google, Apple account or just your email address. Then you need to complete IC verification. A mandatory fintech rule, you will need an ID document, passport or ID card, and of course a selfie. It takes 2-3 minutes and is quickly approved. How to actually invest? After adding funds via card, Revolut, Apple Pay, Google Pay or bank transfer, you will choose the batch you want to invest in. Right now, the standard strategy splits your money proportionally across all companies. If the batch has 10 plus brands, you can activate the priority strategy. Minimum amounts are low, only 10. You will get 5 for every 100 invested. This automatically boosts your return. How the investments are protected. Scramble does a strict selection process. Each company is analyzed in 3 areas: financial health, legally safety, founders' experience. Plus loans are secure, but founders' incomes and other safety measures. Scramble invests up to 20% of its own money in every round, meaning they take the same risk as you. What do the platform offer? Let's compare. Bank deposit 1 to 3% per year. Stocks between 8 and 10% but high volatility. And Scramble between this percent with guarantees and diversification. Plus no experience needed. Everything is automated, perfect for passive income. My experience, I started with €5. If you are a beginner, start with Group E, and if you've invested before, Group B is worth trying. But manage the risk. Investing via Scramble typically takes less than 5 minutes of a person's time per month, which fits nicely with most professionals' intense work and life schedule. Group A, 12.4% annual return. Investors can expect a solid 20.4% annual return on their investment in Group A in case of reinvest, helping them to grow their wealth steadily over time. Regular reinvestment. Group A is ideal for individuals who want to reinvest their funds on a regular basis, allowing them to continually take advantage of investment opportunities. Long-term financial goals. This loan group is designed for investors with long-term financial goals, providing a platform to build wealth steadily and consistently. Group A is characterized by lower risk compared to Group B. Group B. End of term repayment. Group B loans are repaid at the end of them. Group B loans are repaid at the end of the term, giving investors a longer investment or horizon before receiving a return. Annual return up to 25%. Group B offers the potential for higher returns of up to 25 per annum, making it an attractive option for investors seeking significant growth. Experienced investors. Group B is designed for investors with experience and knowledge of the investment market, as it involves higher risk compared to Group A. High risk tolerance. This loan group is suitable for individuals who are comfortable with taking higher risk in exchange for the potential for substantial returns. Opportunity for growth. Group B provides investors with the chance to take advantage of market opportunities and potential achieve accelerated assets growth. Scramble itself invests up to 20% of this money in each round. A silent loan calculator allows you to calculate your profit depending on the amount of investment and the selected group A or B. A long-term calculator allows you to calculate your total amount of profit on the Scramble platform for 10 years with the condition of monthly replenishment. Also, this amount can be compared with savings for the same period. As I said, the registration is very simple and fast. Simply register with your email, or use your Google account or an Apple account. If you need a referral code, you can get the code in my description. I will let the code below in the description of this video. If you use this code, enter it during the process. Now you will get to the verification step. This policy is in line with the banking regulation commonly known as Know Your Customer, and is the process of a business verifying the identity of its clients. Verification can be easily completed via a smartphone, even if you apply from a PC. For the verification, as I said, you will need a document with the last and first name in Latin letters. This can be a passport or an ID card, driver license, residence permit, and copies of documents are not accepted for verification. And then the last thing you will need to do, a portrait picture of your face. Now you will need to add cash. You can transfer your funds in any way convenient to you, using your bank account, which takes you 1 day, credit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Revolut. You can also transfer money to your Scramble account via Stripe. Scramble does not store any data. The minimum amount you can invest on Scramble is 10 euro. At the moment, you've launched a bonus program where an investor can earn an extra 5 euro bonus with every 100 euro invested. It significantly increases your income. Attractive returns with moderate risks. You will find all these details on Scramble app platform. I will let all the necessary links of every single step in the description of this video. Now we will get to all in the investment process. After getting acquainted with the batch of businesses, it's time to start allocating your money. Choosing a strategy. Now only the standard strategy is available. Your cash is allocated proportionally to all founders and businesses in a batch. The priority strategy is available when 10 or more brands participate in the batch. Allocating cash. After choosing a strategy, we allocate money available on your Scramble account between A and B groups. Group E, if you want to earn a steady income going along with the reduced risk. Group B, if you are open to increased risk and want to earn higher yields. Saving your settings. So that's it. The investment process is completed. Now we need to wait for the end of the round. When the round ends, round results are processed. Loans are automatically created and then disbursed to businesses. At the same time, you can change your settings before the end of the round, but only the fundraising goal is reached. Please keep in mind Group B becomes unavailable for investment much faster than Group A because of its why to choose Scramble app platform. Over 12 million euros already invested. Since June 2022, Scramble has facilitated investment in over 86 companies, proving it's a trusted and growing platform. Batch-based investing reduces risk. Your money is spread across multiple startups in each round, helping you diversify and minimize risk automatically. 3. Two smart investment options. You can choose between Group A and Group B. 4. Invest in under 5 minutes a month. Scramble makes investing fast and intuitive. We can manage everything with just a few clicks each month. 5. Strong security measures. Investments are protected by legal guarantees, including founders' lifetime personal income commitments, a rare and powerful safety. The platform invests up to 20% in every round, aligning its interests with yours and showing confidence in each batch. 7. Perfect on-time payment track record. 100% of investor payments have been made on time, boosting trust and reliability. 8. Start with just 10 euro. You can begin investing with as little as 10 euros. 9. Regulated and verified. Scramble follows strict Know Your Customer regulation, ensuring full legal compliance and platform legitimacy. And 10. Higher returns than traditional investing. Scramble offers significantly better returns than typical savings accounts or stock investment, with lower risk than thanks to its structured and diversified approach. So, are you looking for smarter, safer, and more profitable ways to invest? Here are 10 reasons why thousands of people are turning to Scramble. You can choose Group A to start investing your money. But if you are if you are a little bit experienced in investing money, you can choose Group B as well. So I hope that I was helpful for you in this video. If you want to start with Scramble Up platform, don't forget that you can use my code in the description of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see in the next video. Bye!